All right, guys, welcome back to World of Concrete 2021. We're here at the FAMC booth, and it piqued my interest because of my paving background, and so that's why we wanted to talk to these guys. Jason, let us know what all you guys offer here.
Well, we are the United States distributor for anything for Leica that has anything to do with paving, anything concrete, asphalt, milling, trimming, anything of that nature.
Yeah, what really piqued my interest, and we were talking about it before, I used to be that guy helping drive those pins out for the paving lanes and laying the strings out, and that would take literally days.
Yep.
So explain to us what you're doing for those paving trains now.
We're taking away all the pins, taking away all the wire. We're making it basically virtual. We're going to build a 3D model based off of the contract with the CAD files, the design files, and we take away all that string line. We improve safety on the project. We're a hell of a lot more accurate than string line would have been, and you're really opening up a project logistically from backing in trucks and whatnot, so it really just opens up the entire project.
Yeah, that was one thing I really thought about. Those strings and pins, to back up to the paver, you got to drive all the way down the lane and back all the way back down. So this eliminates all of that.
All of it.
Do you know an approximate amount of man hours that could save from driving pins, like for, let's just say, a 2,000 foot paving lane?
Really
like
it's project specific. It depends on the layout of the job, obviously, what kind of access you would have had versus what kind of access you now have. Whether you're putting down curb and gutter or whether you're putting down main line, or it could vary on the project.
So that's cool. So it's not just for those huge mainline paving companies, like you said, curb and gutter, asphalt, everything that requires these placement
RCC,
machines.
roller compacted concrete,
okay, great.
all of it.
Wow.
We automate it all, and the great thing about our system is that you're able to take our computer. Say you want to run your paver one day, and the next day you're going to run the curb machine, and the next day you're going to run the asphalt machine. You take the same computer, it's got all the software loaded on it, and you can take it from machine to machine to machine.
That's a real plug and play then kind of thing.
Definitely.
That's great. So besides all that, tell us a little bit more about what FAMC is, what else they're doing.
Well, really, we're a bunch of field guys. The company I used to work for, we bought the first 3D stringless system in the state of California, and my service guys, they're all field guys, ex-field guys that have been there, done that. So we know that Leica works. We know stringless paving works. It was kind of witchcraft when I bought it back in 2011 or 12. Now it's here. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
So the group of guys, the team that we've put together, we're all a bunch of field guys that know what it's like to lose a load of concrete. We know what it's like to pound those pins.
Yeah.
We know what it's like to go through that stress. So knowing that Leica works, knowing that it's been around forever. Beyond that is we take a lot of pride in our service, our support, our training, and our aftermarket service. So our guys literally get paid to answer the phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You come from the paving world, you know how that goes.
Yeah, paving's 24/7.
Exactly.
It don't matter what aspect you're in. So yeah, tell us a little bit more about the history of the company. You said you bought it back in 2011.
Yep. So Frank Flores, the owner of our company, he designed the interface for the Gunnar & Zimmerman paving machine. That's where I met him. The company I used to work for, we bought basically that prototype machine. So Frank was out there working on the Gunnar machine, and during that time, Leica approached him and was like, well, you're going to be around these paving machines. Would you be interested in being a distributor? So he accepted it, and really the rest is history. We've been the U.S. distributor for Leica and paving since.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yep.
And to think, we used to pave concrete with literally horse-drawn paving machines. I remember seeing pictures of those. Those are really cool. Look where we're at now. You don't even have to drive a pin in the ground.
Exactly.
Set it and go. All right, guys. Appreciate the FAMC guys having us out here. Stay tuned for more content from the Add 10 Gallons crew. Look us up on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can find us all on those platforms just by searching at Add 10 Pod. And stay tuned. We'll bring you more from World of Concrete 2021.